the learning is very important. So that now we go to first how to deploy the Spring Boot applications in Amazon EC2. Okay, first we need to create a on Spring Boot applications. So that we choosing Java, Maven, the Spring Boot versions 4.0.6. So we give the name as just Spring, and this also Spring version 1. Okay, that's all. Just we need to add the Spring Web for creating the REST API, and just we add the Lombok and Spring Boot dev tools. Just we need to create the one REST API and how to deploy it in EC2. Let's see. Click generate. Okay, it will generate the one Spring version 1.zip. I will just open it in browsers. Okay, nothing can do it. Just go to the Spring demo applications. Just add the one get mapping at get mapping hello public string hello return welcome. That message, only this message I will write it, and that form.xml I will add the name of that Spring Boot AWS just version 1. That's all. Okay, and after that I need to go to the Maven build. Okay, Maven build or no Maven install. It will create the separate jar file. For that, just wait a minute for that. Build success. So you can see Spring Boot AWS version 1.jar is generated. This name defined in that form.xml. Spring Boot AWS version 1. Okay, so that we need to just create the EC2 system. So same system in that how to go to the EC2, just select the EC2, nothing instances we running, so just we need to create the instance. Okay, selecting on that launch instances, just we give the name for that instance version 1. That's the name of the instance, and choosing the Amazon Linux, and it's okay, t3.micro, that's okay. We need to create new key pair for that, so that using this key pair we need to connect the system, okay, in local. So instance version 1, we give it that name. Okay, create ppk for use with OpenSSH. Okay, just create. Also that file is created. just go to the download versions, copy that file, and where it is AWS tutorial, here we need to paste it. Okay, that file is created. And network settings, so we need to create the rules for that. I think create security groups anywhere. We'll create new security group, launch Visual 2. Okay, that's okay. Just launch instance. So the instance is created. Oh, so it's running. So that after that we need to add the security group for that here. Okay, open that. Then only we need to fetch the result. Okay, fetch the result through the browsers. We need to add the edit inbound rules. Just add the rule custom TCP. Here we need to add the port, use it 8080. Okay, then only we can able to get that. So added the inbound rule, so everything is fine. So instance is running. So next step, we need to connect this instance in my local system. So that we need to go to the putty generator, putty gen. Okay, putty gen, go to generate putty gen. Just load the file. Which file? Choose all files. That in instance on that file is created, and save private key. Okay, and we give that instance version 1. Okay, that's the ppk file. Okay, that file is stored. After that we need to select the putty options. So how to connect it? Go to these instances, here, that security, how to connect that, networking, connect this one. Okay, connect SSH client. So that this is the domain name. For that we need to give the domain name here and choose the data. That username is EC2-user, and go to the SSH auth, then select the credentials. We need to choose the private key for that authentications. Just open. Yeah, it's will connected. So next we need to select that go AMI. We need to confirm our username, and next step we need to go to the check the Java versions. Okay, we need to add the Java versions. So that we need to go to the main user, check the Java version. Okay, Java version. Yeah, that's it's not found. So that we need to run the Java versions. In our Java we are using which version? In form.xml we need to find out Java version is 21. Okay, so that we need to run this command. Which command? This is our command, sudo dnf java 21. That command we need to run. Just wait some minutes. So Java is installing, so that okay, so that here we need to get the jar file. Okay, so that we need to wget wget we need to write the wget and copy this URL. Okay, copy this URL and paste it, enter. Okay, so Spring Boot is available and we need to run these applications. So which command we need to use? java-jar java-jar Spring Boot AWS versions .jar. Okay, and jar, enter it. So our Spring Boot application is running. So just go to our EC2 instance. Okay, go to the EC2 and EC2 dashboard view running instances. Okay, and select the instance and public IP DNS. This is the public DNS. Okay, copied it and just paste it. Okay, paste it. Which is the port it's running? 8080. Okay, so we need to select that 8080 slash white label error page, because we need to define the in our code we define that extensions. Okay, deploy hello, we just check hello options. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, welcome. That is we successfully installed. After that, we need to terminate this instance because it will make charge you. Okay, so I am stop the instance right now. Okay, stop it. So right now instance state is successfully stopped. Today, so we learned how to create a EC2 instance and how to upload the files in S3 bucket and how to deploy it in EC2 using putty. Okay, putty and puttygen is used for Windows conversions, PPK conversion. So I hope you learn all the things. If you have any doubt, please comment it. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. And today video, I hope you all of you enjoy it. Thank you.